PJ Mac HVAC and Air Duct Cleaning provides professional furnace installation services for homeowners in Reading, PA and the surrounding areas. Whether you're replacing an outdated system or installing a brand new furnace, our experienced technicians ensure your home stays warm, efficient, and comfortable all winter long. If you have any questions, please contact our furnace installation service. Are you looking for a furnace installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What type of furnace is best for homes in Reading, PA? Gas furnaces are the most common choice in Reading due to their efficiency and performance in cold weather. However, electric and high-efficiency furnaces may also be suitable depending on your home's size, energy needs, and utility access. How do I choose the right size furnace for my home? Proper furnace sizing depends on your home's square footage, insulation, layout, and local climate. An HVAC technician performs a load calculation to ensure your new furnace heats your Reading home efficiently without overworking. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our furnace installation have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Verneville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Mountain, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania furnace installation office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.